Are you searching for ways to tell your life story to the audience and want to make them motivated? Learn how to tell your story with the professional storytelling platform. Next Dimension Story is a dependable destination where you can learn how to share stories in a creative way and how to make the story inspiring. Here you will find Mr. George, even with over 17 years of experience in this field, clarifies, defines, and communicates incredible success stories. Their online storytelling coaching framework assists to learn the essential storytelling skills to clarify, define and powerfully communicate people's life purpose or business mission and vision, with courage and conviction. Do you want to join their session? Browse their website www.nextdimensionstory.com and check it first. Or you can directly visit their address Created Story Ltd, 4 Eating Road, Pangbourne, Berkshire, RG8, 7LY, UK and share your thought directly. And describe your story more confidently.